Yo, what up, what up, what up? Another day in the wonderful neighborhood. But then today, I'm out here early. It's kind of really early. It's like almost 7:30 in the morning. So, I am getting ready to go to the garage. Start do the next stuff for today. Hopefully it won't be random everywhere, but you know, we shall see. I'm filming today on the new GoPro Session. Let me know down in the comments how you like it, and I'm gonna try to do a comparison within the next 2 weeks or so for the GoPro 7 and the GoPro 7 and the Hero Session 5, and see which one comes out better, because I have not seen this. Will be my first audio and everything recording. So, but yeah, I'm gonna stop and get me something to eat, and then we're gonna head towards the garage. I gotta let this bad boy warm up, and that's that. So I made it here to the garage. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out my stove over here. Let me see. Clean that out. Gonna clean out that stove over there so I can get some heat going. I already got one on. I'm not turning that on yet. I'm gonna absolutely wait. But I'm gonna clean that out first, and then we can go and get started for today's episode. We're gonna start with today's episode. Let this place warm up some. But it should be good. I'm still trying to work through it. It ain't that cold, but it's cold to me, so you know what I mean. But anyway, today's episode, we're going to be doing Z32 brake calibers. I picked them up last month for a good deal. Can't pass them up. I mean, she's got the Nissan symbol on it. The guy started cleaning them up before I got to him, which is cool. I mean, didn't mind it. So what I'm gonna do is, since I'm here, I'm gonna take this bracket off. Take these two bolts out. Remove this bracket piece. Pull that out. Basically gonna go ahead and clean them up and show you guys how to rebuild them, just in case some of y'all that wants to do that want to learn how to do it. So y'all will know how to do it. And this camera so far, I like it. My first GoPro with the back screen on it. Let me stop rambling and start doing this now. So been about like 20 minutes later, after fighting with this one. Hope I don't need a little nub, but I broke that off from this. I had to. It wouldn't come loose or nothing, and it stripped all the way around. So, hope I won't need it. That's all I can say. So, since I took the brackets off, now I'm gonna lay some paper down right here and get ready to start cleaning this up. So, I'm getting ready to start this time lapse now.
Cookie pack, OG pack, top shelf gas, only thrash. I'm a doggy Scooby snacks. Lace my woods with hash and wax. Giving deal, no need to tax. When you get in it like that. Cookie pack, OG pack, top shelf gas, only thrash. I'm a doggy Scooby snacks. Lace my woods with hash and wax. Giving deal, no need to tax. When you get in it like that. Got my serving sacks, push all my cars to the max. Just might go cash out of sacks. Catch me lacking never lack. Got a fetish for them stacks, so you know I'm stacking racks. Claim me tough, just a nag. He don't really want no flag. I need all my funds exact, cause I always bless the pack. Unknown numbers, new contacts, back to back, eighth of jack. Don't track crack. Lace my woods with hash and wax. Giving deals, no need to tax. When you getting it like that. Cookie pack, OG pack, top shelf gas, only thrash. I'm a dummy, Scooby snacks. Lace my woods with hash and wax. Giving deals, no need to tax. When you getting it like that.
So just got finished cleaning off the yellow paint off of these. Look good, look good, look good. I like this GoPro 7. It's really tight. I like it. This is the best. I guess I'm gonna get this back of it because it's like that's on there. I guess it's part of it. So today, now we get to go open up a box. Get to find out what's what. Let's see. I need this. So these are right here, the 4 packages that we will be looking into today. Even though I opened up 2, but 2 of them, other 2 is not open, so that's cool. First one. Let's see. We got little plastic garments. Let's see how many we have. I think I got too many, but at least I have them for later on. I need that. Yep. Another magnet. Second one. I think I'm gonna save this box. Okay. So the little things that go across it to hold the brakes in. Save that. And third of all, I'm gonna have to open up. Hold on. Okay. For the rear. Oh, I know what I did. I ordered one for the front and one for the rear. Another card thing. And this last but not least is this box. Oh yeah. Okay. And that's that. And that. So yeah, we got everything here to rebuild this, which I will show y'all. Should be taking no more than a couple minutes. So this is all the hardware we're gonna need in for today's video, which is cool. I guess I over-ordered a little bit, but it's cool for the rebuild. But we're not gonna do that right now. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and take some primer, some automotive primer, spray this down, try to find a way to hanging them up over top of that, and let them dry for a few minutes. It should take no more than probably like 15 to 20 minutes if I got them hanging up over top of this. So yeah, you already know the drill. I would put you on time lapse for that, but it's pointless. It's just we use to spray it down. The color we are using is the same gold that we use for the front. I'm doing for the rear. So let me get that over with. Let me do this, and I can turn you guys back on to show you how to break down these brake calipers. So here we are. Got a little system rigged. Calipers floating in the air while the heat's hitting it. Push this over some more. Oh yeah, the heat's hitting it. Should be dry. Dang, it's drying quick. Should be drying fast. Came out alright. I got a couple of runs, but can't expect much from primer or the way I paint. So I'm all new to this. This is only first coat too. I got to say this GoPro came out good. Well, while that's waiting, I'm gonna do some other stuff off camera and let that dry. Spray with another coat and let it dry. So I'm gonna let this hit it with like 2 coats of primer and go from there. Put the gold on. Now I'm gonna let it dry. And take another 20 minutes and then hit some clear on there. That's actually the second coat. I have to see how it comes out. I might hit it 1 more coat. But you can still see, like, you know, maybe some imperfections, but for the most part, I'm happy. So just gotta finish hitting it with clear. It's the first coat. Give this about 20 minutes and then that should be able to dry up. I have a nick because I dropped one of them. I think it was that one when I first came back in the garage. Oh well. Like I said, I don't expect to be perfect, but decent. So it's definitely been like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. But finally hooked that up. Finally did this. I had to cut a hole in here just to get to this bolt. It basically broke off when I tried to put it back in there in my earlier video, or my later videos. So did what I had to do. Of course, I'm going to spray paint it. I don't have a welder no more. I would weld that up and then spray paint it, but as of right now, just want to make do. And these bad boys should be dry enough now for me to tear them apart. So let's start doing that now and get them off these hangers and put them over here onto the table. So much just went wrong. Put the new bolt on. Put this on. That was fine. Want to go pull the hardware off of this and realized that I didn't need new ones because they were still fresh, like somebody rebuilt them. So I only did one side. On top of that, the paint started coming off, so it's not dry enough. I'm going to have to respray it again and let them sit here for a couple of days. But at least that's done. I got hardware if I need some later on down the road. But yeah, did a lot, I guess, in a couple of hours. Now I gotta get with E and see if we can get that down and put it underneath the car. The only thing else I could think about doing, for real, and I have to do it off camera, would be my steering shaft. But on that note, guys, you guys take care. Like, comment, subscribe. So I didn't do too much. I guess in this video was like, cause I expected like a big old build, but didn't really need things. So, oh well.
You know we had to go shopping one more time, right? Then we forgot something. Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around the Bentley coupe. Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around the Bentley coupe. Y'all know me, cause all I do. Y'all know me, cause all I do. Y'all know me, y'all know me, y'all know me, y'all know me.
So I have decided, since that last part of the brakes was kind of lame, I need to get this car close to ready for the Saturday. I'm gonna keep going. So here goes some bonus footage for you guys. We will get it done in this video. Open up the next box. Snap. Got my brake lines. Got my ISR performance. And an empty box.